Hey guys, as I promised you guys that I was going to do a repair on a spider stitch when you get excuse me, a hole in your wig, how you going to repair that. So guys, this is the invisible thread also that I was telling you guys about. This is the thread that you would need, and they do sell it at Michael's, Joann's, and other places as well, in a smaller version. So I already got my needle threaded, guys, and we're gonna fix this hole in this wig, guys. Then after I fix this wig, I'm gonna prep it and get it prepared. I am going to sell this wig. This wig is with 100% human hair. It's a glueless lace wig. Glueless lace front, I'm sorry. So the tracks is sewn on the back and I have this little bit of party. I'm actually going to go through a couple wigs and do a wig sale. So guys, I'm holding the needle like this. So I'm taking the needle through, guys. And actually, guys, would y'all believe it, I just put this hole in here, call myself and pluck some knots. And I plucked it all right. Plucked the damn hair right out. Because like my double knots be like extremely tight. So I kept trying to pull the whole plug in it. I got the knot out and pull the whole plug. Then if you guys see already, I'm closing that up. So take it again, pull it, and if you guys see, I never let go this side neither. I'm keeping that side hooked because when I get finally done with the stitching, I'm actually going to tie that off. So if you guys can see, I'm closing up that hole. And the reason why we're using this invisible thread and not black thread, so when you flip it over, it won't show. So I'm just keep stitching. So I call this a spider stitch. We just pulling it together, pulling that hole together to close it off. So now I consider myself finished. So you see I keep a hold to that, and then my needle hole, and I'm going to tie it into a knot. And then I'm going to find my scissors, guys. Tie it once. I'm going to tie it twice. And the reason why you don't want to let it go like regular thread, like when you be sewing stuff, it's so fine. And it'll pull right out. Two. So I got two knots in it. Find my scissors, guys. And the hole will be fixed. So I'm going to take the scissors and cut, and she's done. So, okay guys, we're going to get into the construction of this wig. Okay, like I said, this is a lace front wig on a glueless cap with the parting going around there. This is a used old wig. I had a couple people asked me to do a video on used wigs that I got for sale. So if you guys see, it has the red tips at the bottom. With this 100% human hair, guys, it can take high heat, blow dryer when the hair get a little frizzy and hard. But the only thing, you know, when you're curling 100% human hair, you got to hold the curl until it cools. So that's the only difference. So when we flip it back over, y'all remember that hole that we had? Let me find it. I just repaired that. So if you guys see, and then you guys would just, you know, put your concealer and put the part that you desire. You know, whatever part that you desire, whatever part that you want, you'll put it in there. And if you want to cut it, whatever you want to do. And this is, guys, a final sale. It's a final sale. And I would say with this one being on a glueless cap, it can fit a medium to maybe a large. But this is a as-is sale. That hole is fixed, guys. So if you guys want more parting, you pluck the knots yourself and do whatever it is that you want to do. So this one, guys, I will let this one go for $30. And that's including, let's make it $32 because PayPal will take a $2 fee. And that's include shipping, guys. So this one would be listed at $32. And then there's another one, and I'm gonna have to get that video ready because that wig is actually like what is it? Peruvian and Remy hair mix. So that one can be curled and stuff like that. So I'll have to get that video prepared. But guys, this one is going for sale. This is 100% human hair. So with 100% human hair, it can go up to really, really hot heat. When you curl it, you got to hold the curl to hold the curl. But when the hair get freezing on the ends, you take the hot blow dryer and guys, you blow dry those ends. And like I say, this one is on sale for $30, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi guys, this is another wig that's for sale. And guys, this one is a used full lace wig. This one is about 14 to 16 inches. And this one is also 100% human hair, guys. I'm going to flip the cap. This is a used full lace. So this one you're going to have to either use got to be glued or something or whatever to it. Hold on, guys. Hard to maintain. But like I said, this one is on a full lace cap, guys. Very old wig. I'll say this wig's about 3-4 years old. But it's still wearable. I would say definitely you got to have a small head, or you can glue the front and then use add on elastic band if it wind up being too small in the back or whatever. But guys, again, this is a used full lace wig that is for sale, guys. And this one with shipping, I'll do this for even $50, and that includes your shipping. Alrighty, guys. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. This is another wig that I'm selling. And, guys, this one is made with Indian Remy and Peruvian. And, guys, I purchased this hair out of offline. And, you know how sometimes you purchase hair? And I actually got it from, like, AliExpress. And one thing I noticed about the hair, guys, no matter how long I left the bleaching powder on, it won't lift. It won't lift. So I don't, you know, I don't know about that part of it. But far as curling, taking a curl, it definitely can take a curl without any special, so I'm going to try to do one live, without any special, awkward, I got to go this way, without any special, holding it and stuff like that. You know how you do that 100% human hair, you got to actually hold it till the curl cools. So I'm going to do a curl for you guys live. And this one, guys, will go for $60. And guys, if you guys are interested in the wig, I will leave my phone number and we can do text messages. Unfortunately, guys, I'm not going to get on the phone and talk. I've been getting harassed by this certain person. And they'll go so far as pretending to be a customer. They use different apps to call me and everything. So with that being said, I'm not going to answer and you won't be able to verbally talk to me. But we can talk via text message, and I'll take the sale seriously when I see the money in my PayPal account. Any questions you have, you can text me. I can load more pictures. And if you guys can see, you know, you're able to curl it with the wand curls. You can, you know, you guys can text or whatever. And the curls, I just heated them up. But far as me answering the phone, no, because she'll go so far as having a third party to pretend to be a customer and just waste my time. So I'm not gonna answer the phone. I don't answer no identified numbers. If I don't know your number and know who you is, I don't take calls from unknown numbers. She even use an app and make it show up as a Minnesota number. So I just don't want no contact with this person. So if you are a serious person that's interested in these wigs, you text me. We'll go back and forth with the text as far as pictures and different things like that. Either we'll use PayPal or Cash App. For people that purchased stuff from me before, we always use PayPal, but some people say they don't have it. So it takes a curl, guys. But yeah, I don't want nothing to do with this person. So I'm not getting on the phone at all. Absolutely at all, and talking to no one at this time, because it can be her pretending. So I'm going to hold this curl a little bit, and then I'll flip it over and show you the inside. So I did make this on a dome cap, guys. Very full hair. This one is made on the dome cap. And I did the material in the top to give it a nice little part. So I believe this is a 2 and a 27. Very long. Very, very, very long, guys. Nice full, if you like fullness. And this will fit a small head. If your head is beyond a small, then you're not gonna be able to fit this wig. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside constructions of the cap, guys. So if you guys see, I sewed it on a dome cap. It's been sewed on a dome cap, and then I added this fabric. You got to get back. I added this fabric on there to make it mimic scalp. So that's why whenever you wash it or whatever, that part will always visibly be there, guys. So this one is going to go for $60 and $10 shipping, guys. And like I said, you can curl it and, you know, finish the curls and stuff yourself. But very nice. Very, very full. So this is a very, very full one. I need to curl this back part. So guys, so if you guys are interested, these are the wigs that I'm selling. And like I say, hit me up on a text message. I'm not taking any live phone calls, because I swear to God, I'm not going to deal with that girl playing with me. So if you guys are serious, I will see the money in my PayPal account, and we'll go from there. This is a as-is sale, guys. So what that meaning is that what you see is what you get. There's going to be no alteration, and all sales is final. So just keep in mind, all these wigs are small. Alrighty, bye.